Hi guys, you're welcome once again over here on this platform, and today in this video I want us to explore around this place. And as you can see, this community is located in the Greater Accra region, so I want us to move around this place and see how the place really looks like. But I don't know the name of this community, but it seems this community is also Russia community because it's very close to Russia. Do you get me? So guys, let's move around and see how this place really looks like. But please, if you know the name of this community or this area, just let me know in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new over here on this platform, or if you're new over here on this channel. Just tap on the subscribe button to support me, like the video to support this video, and also after watching the video, just share this video with your friends. So guys, let's go. Russia community. So guys, we are still in Russia community, and I want us to explore around this place. So if you really like this content, I hope you really enjoyed it. So I'm very sure you are going to like this kind of content. So support me by tapping on the subscribe button, hit the like button, And also, if you have anything for me, I mean, in the form of question, just drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy if you do that. So guys, without wasting much time, let's end this video over here. I don't want my videos to be long. I always want it to be short so that you guys can watch the full video and watch the other ones that I'm going to drop, because I've been dropping videos all day, all night. Do you get me? So yeah, I would like to end this video over here. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in our next video. Bye.